Hello friend, welcome back to the Auto Maintenance YouTube channel. I've got today here at my shop for the tune-up basically, and first time Lexus GX470. This is 2004 year, and I would like to show you around. This vehicle has almost 300,000 miles, right? It's approximately 16 years old, but it still looks and drives and rides really beautifully. When I get my vehicles right for inspections or tune-ups and so on, I always start with the test drive, short test drive, approximately 1.5 mile on the bumpy road, and this one really nicely floats like on the cloud. And this is big SUV. I will compare it to Sequoia, right, from Toyota. But if you look inside, it's completely different. The interior is different. Also the face, right? It's a different vehicle, yet of course it has a lot of common stuff with Toyota. You guys know that. I'm not telling you anything new. So let's go do a quick walk around, right, and see how this SUV held in the time and reaching almost 300,000 miles. I will say from outside looks really good. Let's hope for the interior, right? So it has that classical Lexus leather everywhere. Of course, similar looks like from Toyota. And this is really nice to touch. Actually, I did like it. I normally will not opt for these wooden features for myself, but this actually feels very, very good. And if you consider how old this vehicle is, I'm really pleased with it, how little wear is on it. Sure, the leather, let's be clear, on the driver's seat wasn't maintained correctly, right? So that gave up. That's pretty obvious, but all the features seems to be working perfectly. For example, right, you have those memories for the seats, and that includes the steering wheel. So when you come into the vehicle, you put the key in, right? The steering wheel first correctly prepares as it was set with the previous driver, or as it was programmed. Let's start it up. So here you see all the controls. Look at that. It has almost 300,000 miles, and the only malfunction at this moment is the tire pressure monitor system. That's incredible. I totally love it. And it has also the other common feature, which is when you put it in reverse, your rear view mirrors, they point down so you can see the curbs and the lines in the parking lot. Look at it. Right, both of them, or both sides, they point down so you can see. Backing also, obviously it has a rear view camera. This vehicle, it's equipped with the air ride, right? You can see it here, and that's the only thing which recently had a problem. The owner said the back was not coming correctly up, so he called me, but I said, hey, the best will be if you see the dealer for that. They hook it to their computer, and after 1 hour he was finished, and the vehicle is perfectly working again. And underneath the hood, you guys already know, and you will not get fooled by this badge, right? It's a Lexus V8 32 valve. But all of you, I know that you know that it has a Toyota, right? A V8 engine, very common, very famous actually for its reliability. So that's just underneath the covers, right? And it's easy for us who are trained on Toyotas to work on this Lexus. As an interior, I will say it's a standard, right? What we know from these years. There's plenty of space. Obviously, it's a large SUV. Everything in leather, right? And in the back, there are those folding jump seats, right? If I can call it that way. So you can have a third row. You can also remove that, and you have ginormous space for your stuff. And I just wanted to make a very quick video for you, right, to confirm that when we hear that the Toyota vehicles, right, they last forever, this is another proof. Almost 300,000 miles. The car runs perfectly like a Swiss watch, like the engine perfectly runs, pulls on the test drive, right? I didn't even step on it. The whole SUV, it's like a ride on the cloud, very soft, right, and beautiful. Yet it's already 16 years old. So yeah, these people who claim they last forever, if you maintain them correctly, they actually do. So thank you for watching, and make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.